Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Altea and usually you will see crochet tutorials, but today I'm thinking of doing something a little bit different and you will have a sort of vlog and get to know me a little, answering some of your questions and just speaking with you guys. If you have any questions or anything that you would like to know about me, just leave them in the comments down below. So I'm currently working on a cow. I have been following a tutorial by Just Huff. I will show you the finished product at the end. So if you like this tutorial, if you like this cow that I crocheted, obviously I will link her pattern down below. It is not my pattern, it is Just Huff, which she has a number of crocheted enemies and also other amigurumis on her website, which are adorable, so adorable. At the end of this video, I will show you some crocheted items. Basically, I'm working on a huge order, the largest I have ever had, which is of around 9 amigurumis. And I'm working on the last one, which is a cow. I have chosen to make a brown cow. This is currently her head. I have finished also her horns and her ears. So by the end of this video, I will show you all the finished products that I have for this order and also take you with me for some packing and how I would pack an order for a client. So some life updates. First of all, I would like to thank each and every one of you because I have reached my first 1,000 subscribers and I couldn't be thankful and grateful enough for you guys for being with me throughout this year. It's been about 1.5 years now since I've been posting on YouTube, so I'm very grateful for reaching my first 1,000 subscribers. Another life update, obviously I chopped my hair off. It was black and extremely long, but in this Maltese climate, I'm from Malta, so temperatures tend to go extremely high, like 41 degrees Celsius. We use Celsius here, not Fahrenheit, so I don't know how much that would be, but it's extremely hot. You might see me sweating here because obviously I don't have an AC or a fan switched on because of the sound. I hope you are hearing me well, because it's just my phone. As I said, I've lost most of my waves. I noticed that my curls were getting flattened out and I've decided to chop it off. And thankfully, my curls are back, which I love. Not there yet, but much better than it used to be. For those of you who don't know, I also work full-time job. This is not my full-time and neither my part-time YouTube because I work as an HR specialist and I love my job, so that takes the majority of my time. I'm also a mother of 2. I have a girl and a boy. The girl is already 7 years old and we just had her Holy Communion, which I have been posting a tutorial for how I did souvenirs for her Holy Communion. And I have a son who is 4 years old and he's turning into such an adorable, talkative boy, always getting into trouble. I like it. I am so grateful for the life I have and also obviously for the husband I have. He's very supportive and helps me out. Without him I wouldn't have this channel at all because he has been a big part of helping out. I'm currently working on the belly of the cow, which I think takes the most time. So it's a bit about Malta. It is an island in the middle of the Mediterranean Sea. It is basically summer all year long, but when it is actually summer, the heat is unbearable sometimes. It is surrounded by the sea, so obviously you'd think we get so much swimming, but unfortunately this year is not the case because we are having quite a few jellyfish. And from my experience, it's not fun being stung by a jellyfish. So every time we go to the beach and see that there are jellyfish, we go right up. As I said, I do wish I had more time to create more tutorials for you guys. I've been planning to do a tutorial on for a Christmas crib, basically do a Mary and Joseph and the baby, which I have been putting off I think for a year now. I've also been planning to do a tutorial for more wall hangings because most of you guys loved the bunny wall hanger, but since I work full-time, obviously I have my kids, take care of the house, it is currently a little bit out of hand, so I'm trying to keep balance, work, life, hobby balance at the moment. So I'm sorry I'm not posting every week as I had promised in the beginning, but I'm trying to post for sure every month. Overall this year, I feel that it has been quite a great year for my business. As I said, I have reached my 1K subscribers. Thank you again. I've been getting quite some orders on the side. I have also an Instagram account which I have been trying to grow, so make sure to follow my Instagram account as well, as I post a number of projects I'm working on, orders I'm working on, life updates. I am planning to change my office area. I currently have an office nook. Let me see if I can show you around just a little bit. This is basically where I'm at, just a small space, an extremely small space. And I have much more yarn than that and that, so I need somewhere to store them. I am also waiting for a huge yarn order, so I'm hoping it should arrive today. So if it arrives today, I will try to include it in this video and make a little yarn haul, which I will be using for an order that just came through. Basically, it's a large double bed-sized blanket made out of a ton of granny squares, all in different colors. Let me know if I should vlog maybe doing this blanket, or maybe I should make a video of how long it would take me. I think that would be interesting. It is quite large, it's about 2 meters by 2.5, so it's very, very large. So I did crochet 2 granny squares and timed myself to quote how much squares I would need and also how much time I think it would take, which basically I have concluded that I will need around 120 hours. I think I have said quite enough for today. If you have any questions, just put them down below. I would love to hear from you guys. I love talking to you guys. Thank you for everyone who leaves such appreciative and wonderful comments. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I think now I just put some music and keep crocheting, and I will show you later on how this cow turned out. So, as I said, I have 2 kids, and now it's time for the karate practice. So, I think I might take you with me. So, while the kids are at their practice, I will continue on my belly and hopefully move on to start working on the arms and legs. Let's get started. I have an hour. They have an hour of practice, so I try to make the most of it. But I won't stay in the car because I am sweating like crazy. So I will get out of the car and crochet it with a view, because it's beautiful out here. So my hour of crocheting is done. I'm off to pick up the kids from practice. You have no idea how much this hour helps being in nature. So I finished the belly, and now I have started working on the arms. So I'll see you later. Hi guys, so I'm back. It's the day after, and I have finished the 2 arms and the tummy for my cow. Next I will be working on the legs and then stitching it all up together for the final product. Anyway, I will be taking you with me while I crochet these last few bits and pieces, and then I will show you the finished product and also what else I have prepared for this order. So my 2 legs are done, and now I will move on to making the spots.